If you're an English or Welsh national living in France, or if you are a French national living in England or Wales, there are quite different regimes that are used between the two countries, and it's really important that you get early and quick advice as to the two different regimes and which might be better for you.
One of the inquiries that we often get is whether a French marriage contract, un contrat de mariage, will be enforceable in England. The way in which a French marriage contract and an English prenup are set up are very different in terms of the formalities, which means that in most circumstances a French marriage contract will not be enforceable in England.
We have a number of bilingual experts who can advise in both French and English on the differences between the laws and the two jurisdictions.
In contrast, however, an English prenuptial agreement, so long as it has the right clauses, which in most circumstances it will say that this prenuptial agreement is applicable in all jurisdictions, will usually be enforceable in France.
On the breakdown of an international relationship or marriage, quite often one of the most complicated factors is the children of the marriage, and it might be that one party then wants to go home and return to their home country, and so we are able to and have significant experience in dealing with how to relocate as a family and how to relocate as separated families. And one of those aspects that's most important is the children's views within that. We've got experience and we are able to issue court applications for that, or hopefully to resolve matters by agreement.
After Brexit, if a party were to issue in France, because there's no longer a first past the post system, means that you can still go ahead and issue a divorce petition in England. You will then have a dispute over jurisdiction and therefore where the divorce proceedings should take place, and that will be decided on where the parties have their greatest sense of interest, where they've been living, where they might have the most assets, and therefore where it's the most logical for that divorce to take place.